this way?
I think this is it here.
I think this is the hotel here. Oh,
No?
maybe.
Oh, what is this hotel? I want to live in a house like that. You need to build one of these. Like, it's so cute.
I want to see that.
Yeah, it's adorable. I want to stay.
Like we did pick the cheapest hotel, didn't we?
Ooh. I look so weird with my hair up and my ears on. I'm not straightening it or washing it today because I'm tired.
I'm gonna wash it tomorrow.
Okay, so day 3. There's a duck. Look how adorable. The little duckies. You can hear them quacking. Aww. Okay, so it's day 3. We got up earlier. Kinda earlier.
We won't be at the park for a thing. If not, it's alright.
Yeah, early access is at 8:30 and now it's like 20 past. We saw the queue for the bus, the free shuttle bus, and we were like, no. And we discovered this walkway last night after the fireworks because again, we didn't even look at the bus. Because it would have been people with their prams. We already had people shoving us with their prams and we weren't about that life. So we decided to walk. It's not too far. So we're going to try and get into the early access part so we can do the
extra magic hours.
The magic hour, whatever it's called.
Extra magic hours.
The extra
magic. For Disney, yes.
Yeah, because we're staying in the Disney hotels. We get the extra hour in the morning. So well, we have tomorrow as well, but we want to do the, what's it called? Something coaster. Crushes. Oh, Crushes coaster. Yes, as in Finding Nemo.
Yeah.
I get it.
It's pretty good. There's always a...
Yeah, it's always like at least an hour's wait on it because there's only like 4 people allowed on the time. I was looking at it. But yeah, I think we're gonna try and get that one done first. I'm tired today. I couldn't fall asleep last night. So I'm tired.
There's no tired.
But it's a nice-ish day. It's not raining at least. And yeah, we don't really have many other plans other than that, do we? Just get some rides in. So yeah, we're gonna enjoy the beautiful walk with the fake river over there. We're almost there.
Yeah. We're almost at the bottom of this village.
It's just over there. What that means?
No. But we're gonna... Maybe all these people will be queuing in a second, but we're not. Oh well.
We ran here.
Hey Dad! Wanna see tasty legs?
Okay.
Let's see what it actually says now.
So we just did the Crushes coaster. It took us an hour and a half to do it because it broke down when we were just at the very front. But it was definitely worth it. We were so close to to leaving and abandoning ship because a lot of people left. But then I turned back on. And it was really good. I loved that. That was my favorite one. We were in the back part and then we switched around and was in front. So that was really good. I like that. That was definitely, I think it was worth the wait anyways. And I'm tired. We very nearly wasted our early entrance on that because we had to wait. But the queue is long still. So yeah, we might go to the other. Will we go to the other studios?
Unless you want to go in any of
Mira. Et assis et gardez.
Votre sécurité reste assis avec vos mains braquées dans la l'intérieur du véhicule. Surveillez vos enfants.
3. À la mur. The rivers still run free, and anyone's dream turn to gold.
Messieurs, là, nous arrivons en gare de Frontière-Land. Merci de bien rester assis jusqu'à la...
In the Disney Park, that means we've entered adventure, the world's most mysterious region.
Oh, you can get off and like. The maze. That's what it is.
Et s'il vous plaît, veuillez nous parfumer. Merci. For your safety, please stay seated.
Yeah.
This is Discovery, where dreams...
Yeah, it is. Yeah, Phantom Manor. Yeah, it's there.
Now, curious souls, come, I have more to show you. Entrez, brave mortels, et visitons ensemble ce favori. Elles ne sont pas toujours ce qu'elles paraissent. Tous les contes n'ont pas de fin heureuse. Par où sortir? Si vous ne trouvez pas le moyen de vous échapper, n'ayez pas peur. Allez-y, avancez.
We just pulled in.
I tried, it didn't work.
Des fantômes sur vos fiers destriers.
That's a cool way to do that. I just saw that. ones with the headrest always fuck up my hair. Because my hair bubble is right in the back. Okay, so we just did Indiana Jones for the second time. The queue was like what, 55 minutes?
Yeah.
And we used a rush to the wee fast pass where you can buy, was it €9 each? Where we could skip the queue and it was literally like 5 minutes from like start to finish.
So
We just walked straight on and did it. I forgot I did the 360 loop. Oh, I'm like,
not bad.
I know, but I feel like I'm reaching my tolerance on these freaking roller coasters. I had to close my eyes a few times though. It's still pretty scary. Yes, that's when we came over that way.
Yeah, we came that way.
So yeah, it's definitely colder today. It's still chilly. And I've got cramps in my toes. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna wander around again. Pizza Outpost. My legs are like jelly now after that. Just look at the little Russian. The little explorer outfits.
We hope you all have a great time on your visit to the Worldwide Engineering Brigade Open House. Nous vous souhaitons une excellente visite durant cette journée portes ouvertes. C'est notre chef de projet, Peter Parker.
Comment ça va? Je suis Peter Parker. Ici chez Web, on a accès à une super technologie, comme le vibranium.
Sit back and enjoy your ride until you reach the impending disaster.
Quoi? Je croyais que le niveau de risque en était encore à danger exponentiel. Ouais, le désastre, c'est le mot juste.
Je savais que tu serais d'accord.
Un côté par ici. Je suis vraiment content de vous voir.
Start slinging.
Je verrouille les tissus.
Arrêtez le plus de votre possible. Savez-vous n'importe quelle main?
Ils entrent dans les tunnels. Il faut les capturer.
Affirmative, we've got to catch them.
Petit problème.
A small problem?
En fait, c'est un gros problème. Oh non, les choses vont atteindre les portes.
Temporary stop.
Same amount of steps as yesterday. And you know, 10,000 steps.
Oh my god.
I'm not sure we can do that now.
I look kind of crazy, as usual. I'm gonna take all this makeup off now. Yeah, so we did the Spider-Man web shooter. We did the single file because it cut the time down in half. It was like 55 minutes if we wanted to sit together. We weren't about that life, and honestly, it wasn't worth waiting 55 minutes for. It's always been one of the busiest times. It's one of the new Marvel ones. So, because we had lunch booked for 3:45, and then we were just waiting on it. So we tried to get in earlier. We couldn't. You could only book. So we did the Marvel Spider-Man, which is something we wanted to do. And then we went and ate food, which I think I showed a little bit of footage of. I'm so full. Oh, it was so good. The ice cream. You could do like the soft serve ice cream on your own toppings. The cheesecake. Oh my god, it was good. It was like another buffet style. And yeah, so now we're back at the hotel. It is now 5 p.m. We left so early this morning. We're gonna take a couple hours break. And then we're gonna head back in. Look at the shops. We want to see like the shows again, like the fireworks and the light. The drone show didn't go last night, so it was good. We want to go back and see that, so we're gonna take a break and then we're gonna go do that again. Head back in. I'm so full. I'm gonna watch some YouTube videos. I've like not been catching up on my YouTube videos. So yeah, and we go home tomorrow, which is sad. But I'm like, my Apple Watch is like telling me I'm hitting all my goals because we're walking so much. But yeah, we're fitting it all in and we're getting it done. So yeah, I'm gonna go take a break because I need it. I might take my makeup off too. It's in French, so I don't know. Oh no,
Past Tower of Terror, isn't it?
yeah.
Tower of Terror is closed, you see, because of the show's gonna go. I'd say most people probably watch the fire, like the illuminations of the castle.
Oh, it's like...
It's quite nice, isn't it?
So it is, ooh, are you focused on me? Not really.
Thanks for your presence here this evening, recruits. I am Friday, Campus AI System. The Avengers need your help. Please report to your training protocol.
Okay. I'm in the, it's now 9 p.m.
Cool down. Cool down complete.
The Avengers, I don't know what it's called, girl. The very fast Avengers kind of roller coaster one. The building is talking. It's in the Avengers campus, which is like really new and high tech and everything's blue and beautiful. I took my makeup off after my nap. So yeah, we went back at like 5 o'clock. Like 2.5 hours later we got up and left. We went and got a takeaway, or not takeaway, a drink. We were gonna go into the Marvel New York hotel in the Skyline Bar because it's really like fancy, but it's a Saturday and it's so busy. So we went to, there's a sports bar in the Disney Village that we decided to go to instead, because we couldn't get into the Skyline Bar, but it was like on the walk from the hotel to the parks. So we went and we got the 30-year anniversary champagne, which you can keep the glass. It was like €15 for a glass of champagne, but you gotta keep the glass. So, and we got peanuts as well. And yeah, then we walked into Disney Studios, and me and Roshan went on this yesterday. First thing yesterday, I think me and Roshan did this, where we pretty much just walked onto it. And she liked it, so the wait time was only like, well, it said it was like 10 minutes, but it actually closes now at 9 o'clock, so Roshan ran in. So she hasn't come back out, so I'm assuming that she got on. I can't do it again. I have reached my limit. I'll do them once. And then once I know what they're like, this one goes upside down. 360 loop-de-loop. And it hurts your head and your neck. So I was like, Roshan, you can run on if you want, I'll wait on you. So Roshan liked this one, so she's gonna do that herself. But yeah, it closes at, most of them close at 9, even though the parks is open to 10 tonight. Some of them close at 9, some of them close at 10. The shops, the Disney shops and like the bars for drinking close at like 1 AM, midnight. Because we want to go to the Disney shop in the Disney Village. And we checked and it's open until midnight, so we're gonna do that on the way home, because I was like, there's no point in doing it now when rushing. We might go on a couple rides. We want to go on Crush's coaster again, Nemo's like little shellfish thing, but it's still like 40 minutes long. I think it's even more than that. It's a 45, maybe 50 minutes long. So we might do that tomorrow instead. So this had like no wait. This has never had any waiting time, but it's like a crazy roller coaster. Like it's scary. It's not good. So yeah, I'm just standing like under a spaceship. So yeah, it's been really fun. I'm so tired, my legs hurt. I've reached all my Fitbit goals, my Apple Watch goals. Yeah, it's like hitting me today how tired I am. And the clocks go forward tonight as well, which is super fun. So we're gonna lose an hour of sleep. At 2 AM it goes forward an hour, so that's also super great. And yeah, there is a light show in the studios, which you know the Tower of Terror is. There's a light show up there, so we're gonna do that one tonight instead of the Disney Castle. It is a Saturday today, it's so busy, like it's so busy. So we're gonna stay in this park and do the shows here at 10 PM. So that's why we came with this direction. We might do, there's a Ratatouille ride we might do, because it's one of the few we haven't done. And the waiting time's like 10 minutes, so we might do that one. And then we're gonna watch the lights, which that's the Tower of Terror right behind me. I can't believe I did that still. Like, I have never done roller coasters of any kind, and I don't like heights. So the fact that that takes you up like that high and drops you down like 5 or 6 times. When I was holding on to my bag in the middle of me, my bag was like floating in the air. The flashbacks are very real. That's why this one, the fact that it went upside down like scared me. So I've reached my limit on day 3. So I'm just gonna wait for Roshan to come off this one. I think she got in because she didn't come back very soon. Yeah, we're gonna watch the shows. We're gonna watch the light show, do some shopping, and then head home. We're gonna come back tomorrow because we do have Disney. We have tickets for tomorrow day because we're still here. And my flight's at like 6 PM. There is a bus. I think Washington's is later. I'm flying back to Belfast. Washington's flying to Scotland. Because both the flights are late, so it's no problem. And I think there is a shuttle bus that takes us from here to the airport, so we might look into that as well. But yeah, we're gonna come back tomorrow morning and do Crush's coaster, because it was fun. Even I liked it. It was just the right amount of scary for me. I should have been filming it from this direction, god damn. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for Roshan to get off this Avengers Assemble, I don't know, something that was terribly scary, and we're gonna go watch the Tower of Terror lights in the studios, which is behind me. And we're gonna stop at the shop on the way back and go to bed. Maybe get another drink. I don't know, Roshan wants to have another drink, so we might do that. So yeah. I still can't believe this is Disney. I'm in Disneyland. Like, wow.
Des invités pour le dîner.
Hein? Pour le repas, il est là. Coco vin? Non. C'est pour Mahmoud? Une seconde. What? Mais oui, that's it! Bientôt et bon appétit. Et oui, non? Oh. Au revoir.
Right. So when you were on the thing, I was like, oh, you're just gonna do that right, and then we're just gonna watch the show. change of plans. We actually went to do the ratatouille. What is it called? The ratatouille, right? It was really good. Like we did Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs and the, what was the other one we did? We did like there's ones where you just get on like a little cart and roll around. Even the 3D ones. What was the other 3D one we did? It wasn't 3D. There was a couple of other ones where you had to wear glasses, but that one was really good. I would do that again.
Oh, that was amazing.
It looked like you were like,
so realistic.
yeah, it looked like you were like sliding down like under like tables and chairs, and then were you like under the cooker at some point?
Just like a mouse running through a restaurant.
Yeah, it was actually really good. I like that.
Really cool.
That was probably my second.
Got you then. Like
Yeah, a cork popped like in 3D, and like we got splattered with water. So yeah, now
best.
yeah, and we did like
car one.
Yeah, the little car like 3D glasses kind of thing.
Yeah.
That was the best one.
Jack's we did too. That wasn't a car too, wasn't it?
That was pretty good too, but that one beat that.
Yeah, that was the best one. We almost never didn't even go on that one.
Yeah, there was a 15-minute wait if we wanted to sit together. Otherwise, a 5-minute wait, which in Disneyland speak means there is no queue.
Walk on, yeah.
So we just did a single person ride because we don't really mind dancing together, you know. Oh yeah. We have to walk around. They closed. Yeah, we might have to walk around. I think that's closed. I think we can go that way. I think there's a thing across there. I don't think we can. Yeah, we've been like scrolling past that ratatouille thing all day, and we're just like, nah, let's not do that. Nah. It was actually pretty good. I like that. So yeah, now we're gonna go and look at the. Now we're gonna go and see get a spot for the show.
Car le meilleur moyen pour devenir un héros est d'apprendre des autres héros.
To all recruits, thank you for your heroic efforts today. You have shown great courage and determination, but your training cannot be complete without one last special lesson. Because the best way to become a hero is to learn from another hero. Launching special protocol in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
single child.
En vérité, je suis Iron Man. Mais vous le saviez déjà, non?
You do? Right, so you can have 4 coffees a day?
Yeah.
What did you pick?
I don't know, somewhere.
Mine just make it so I picked the middle one. I don't know what I did. How do you? Feels like we're wasting. We need a push one.
I don't have.
They probably don't have any of that left.
Oh, there we go. I bought some credits. Like,
Yeah, per trip because we were staying like 4 days.
every day.
Hold on, I wanna let me get some ice too. Hold on.
How did we get some before?
Okay, so we go. Do you get 2 different types, or is this you drinking
Let's
one?
see.
Apparently, you get 4 credits a day for hot chocolates. We thought we had 4 for the trip, so hot chocolate and coffee, should I say? And we got ice for some water because our water's warm. And yeah, all this mess. Another day in Disney done. Time for bed.